Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat sound problem. For example, if you are using Snapchat on iPhone and you are having sound problem on Snapchat iPhone, so how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you do not have turn on the iPhone ringer, which is side mounted in many iPhones. If you have a new model like iPhone 15, then you can simply go to control center, and after that you can simply turn off the bell icon, and after that your iPhone ringer will be turned off. If you do not have a turn on silent mode or iPhone ringer, then the next thing you have to do is you have to simply check volume button whether you have not lowered the volume. After that you have checked the volume is correct. The next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and until you find the option of Snapchat. So here what you have to do, you have to simply turn off the microphone toggle and you have to wait for some second, and after that you have to turn it on again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. And after that the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go back, and after that you have to go to general in settings, and after that you have to click on iPhone storage. In iPhone storage, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of Snapchat here. In Snapchat, what you have to do, you have to simply offload the app, and after offloading the app you have to simply click on reinstall the app, and after reinstalling you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you can do, you can simply go to the App Store, and here what you have to do, you have to check whether your Snapchat is up to date or not, which means it is not asking for update. Here you can simply check for Snapchat, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply check if it is not showing any kind of update. It is not showing update, then you have to simply go back, and after that the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to make sure that your sound and haptics are working properly. If the problem is still there, then you can simply restart your device, and after that you have to turn it on again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply open the Snapchat here, and after opening the Snapchat, what you have to do, you have to simply click on chats, and after clicking on chats, what you have to do, you have to simply click on profile, and you have to click on settings, and after that you have to look for I need help, and here you have to go for Snapchat support, and after that you have to simply solve the problem by searching here in Snapchat support, and they will solve your problem as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.